Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the dock and preparing the switch. Plug the official AC adapter into the dock, then into a grounded outlet. Once done, make sure the dock sits on a flat, ventilated surface with clearance so it won't overheat. You don't need to undock Joy-Con while preparing, but have any cables or controllers ready. This minimizes interruptions and ensures consistent power. Every second counts toward a clean, stable connection when you insert the console. You now route video and seat the console. Open the dock's rear cover, plug an HDMI cable into the dock and the TV, then connect the AC adapter if not already done. Once connected, slide the switch into the dock's USB-C connector with a straight, gentle motion until it seats. Avoid twisting. Once seated, switch the TV to the correct HDMI input and adjust resolution in system settings if image looks off. These steps ensure stable video, audio, and charging without damaging the connector. You finish by verifying the switch shows the charging icon and the TV displays output. That confirms power and video. If nothing appears, first reseat the console, then check HDMI and AC cables, and test a different HDMI port or cable. Make sure the console is unlocked and not in sleep that blocks output. If problems persist, avoid third-party adapters. Use the official Nintendo AC adapter and known good HDMI to eliminate common failures, which result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.